Good morning, guys. I am sharing a morning clean with me. You all seem to enjoy the last one that I did, and I know a lot of you get motivated from cleaning videos, and I'll be sure to share some tips along the way. So as you all know, I always make my bed. So I usually have my morning quiet time and then get my gym clothes on and then make my bed right away. And it makes such a difference. And like I always say, it only takes a couple minutes. Next, I am putting laundry away. So I've talked about how I do laundry a number of times, but I still get asked about it a lot. I hang up our laundry to dry. So I usually put it in the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes and then hang it up. So shirts and pants and things. And this prolongs the life of our clothing, cuts down on drying time, which cuts down on electricity, and it helps our clothes not to shrink because we're all tall in our house. So I just let it dry overnight and then hang it up the next day. For my zone cleaning this week, I'm in the bathroom. So today I am going to clean my makeup brushes and makeup. I got this really great makeup brush cleaner from Tao Clean. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. This is awesome. As soon as I saw this and read about it and looked it up and everything, I was like, where has this been all of my life? So all you do is add water and one of these pods to the base. You put your brushes in. You can see me doing that here. It's really easy to use, super easy. It holds up to 6 brushes and it has different size spots for different brushes, eyeshadow, blush brush, you get the idea. It uses sonic vibrations, which sway each brush 50 times per second. I can't do that by hand cleaning them. So it removes dirt, debris, oil, and leftover makeup. It only takes 2 minutes and it does all of the work for you. So you can just let it go and do something else, or you can watch it if you want. Hey. It used to take me about 15 minutes to clean my brushes, and I would make a mess, and I did not like doing it, and sometimes I would put it off. And you guys know I like to keep things clean, but cleaning my makeup brushes was not my favorite. So once the 2 minutes are up, you just rinse the soap away. And then another great feature about this is it can dry your brushes up to 80%. So you just put it back in without the water. I wanted to show you how dirty my water is before I jump it out, but you just put your brushes back in without the water and let it run again, and it removes up to 80% of the water. My brushes used to take a full day to dry, so that was another reason that I would put off cleaning them, because I wear makeup almost every day, and if my brushes are wet, I can't use them. So it was such a pain. So you can see here is a before shot, my brown eyeshadow and everything, and then I put them in there. It does all the work for me, and here they are, nice and clean, and they are pigmented brushes, so it didn't remove that, of course, but it did remove all of the eyeshadow. And again, you can see me dumping out all of that nastiness. So here are the cleaning pods. One thing that was important to me is I didn't want to use a bunch of harsh chemicals, and you can see here that it doesn't contain harsh chemicals. It's not tested on animals, and it is cruelty free. I do have a discount link. This is only $49. It's regularly $149, so $100 discount. I'll leave the link in my description box below. And Towel Clean rarely offers discounts, so if this is something that looks really interesting to you, be sure to check it out now and take advantage of that discount. Next, I am cleaning out my makeup drawer. This is part of my zone cleaning as well, so I do this every 8 weeks. And you'll notice the blue sticky tack, just sticky tack. I know I would get asked about what that is. It's funny to me sometimes what people notice in videos. People pick up on every little thing. So just sticky tack, but I'm glad I have it because it keeps these organizers in place, because before I had it, it was kind of annoying. They would move around. I keep a minimum amount of makeup. I love makeup. I wear it pretty much every day, but I'm not someone who will buy 10 mascaras at a time. I usually have 2 that I really like, and then once those are used up and need to be replaced, I will try out a new one if I want to, or replace the one that I currently have. And I'm just not one to have, hordes of makeup, but I know a lot of people like to be creative with makeup and they do makeup videos, but I just have a minimum amount. And then if things are old or I never wear them or they're really running out, I will go ahead and take those out when I clean out my makeup drawer. And now I am vacuuming the entire house. So I vacuum my whole house on Wednesdays. We don't wear our shoes inside. I do have house shoes on, but I never wear them outside. And we don't have furry pets. So once a week works really well for us. Although when I empty the vacuum, because people always say that I clean a clean house, if you saw the vacuum, how full it gets, it's just amazing. Your house does get dusty and, carpet fibers and hair and whatever. So it does need to be vacuumed every week, but I always start in the same spot like I mentioned before and work my way upstairs and vacuum upstairs. I don't show everything upstairs because my boys' rooms are up there, and while they're in charge of changing their sheets, doing their laundry, and keeping their room picked up, I will go in there and vacuum since they already have the vacuum up there. And I do my cleaning just one task a day. I've talked about this lots of times and I have a video on it, so I will link that below. Alright guys, don't forget to check out the Towel Clean Sonic Makeup Brush Cleaner if that looked interesting to you. I do have a link in my description box below where you can get it for just $49. The typical retail price is $149. My brushes went from this to this, and I know I will definitely keep them much cleaner. And I know how important it is to keep your brushes clean because you're putting them on your face, so I know it'll be a whole lot better for my skin. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation.